to my craft artists. This is my last video for National Craft Month, and I'm going to be talking to you about some cool things. So let's get started on everything. Hope you enjoy this video series, and next year I'll do so much better. This is the last video in this video series, so I thought I'd just talk to you a little bit. Next year when I do National Craft Month, I'm going to plan 3 or 4 months in advance, so I have all the crafts already prepared, or at least what I'm going to do for at least the month of March. And it's going to be so much fun. 31 days to create something awesome and something cool. So I thought I'd do my last video all about that. It was so much fun showing you ways to get ready for National Craft Month. You can do anything you want throughout the year, but I just need to get better at my skills. So hopefully you guys bear with me on these videos, and I hope you guys have a great day out there in the crafting world, scrapbooking world, art world, makeup artists. I love those as well. So hopefully on my YouTube channel I'll get so much better, and I hope you guys enjoy this series of National Craft Month. I'm celebrating National Craft Month a little bit late because it's April. Obviously it's almost May now when you see these videos. So I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. I'm really excited showing you how I came out with really cool things to make my room and my ways of doing things for National Craft Month. And I'll talk to you in the final thoughts for National Craft Month. It was such a fun month to think about what crafts I would like to do throughout the year, but especially in March, I'm going to really think hard next year how I'm going to do this. So next year and this year, I'm going to work on how to step-by-step crafting or tutorials to help you get better at crafting. Something simple, something easy, because I have a learning disability, so it takes me a long time to learn. So that's a fun fact. I already told you that in my other video, 20 things you didn't know about me. Go watch that video if you would like it. If you would like to know more about me, I'm doing another video, 40 things you didn't know about me. That's coming up very soon. So I hope you guys had some fun watching this video. This video series is so much fun. This is the last video I'm doing, so I'll do more next year. And you guys, hopefully you guys keep crafting no matter what. National Craft Month! National Craft Month. I'm celebrating. You want to celebrate with me?